Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. These are the Fruit of Loom underwear for boys, briefs, toddler size. As with all my videos, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the packaging like, quality like, etc., just to make sure it's the real thing. Not too much to show you in this video, but nonetheless, that's an unboxing. They do have different color variations. When you look at the listing on the Amazon site, they are Fruit of the Loom. They're legit. I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.